Today we will be learning about appreciation and depreciation. What is appreciation and depreciation? Well, appreciation is an increase in value of something over time. For example, vintage toys' value increases over time. Depreciation is the exact opposite. Depreciation is a decrease in value of something over time. For example, some office buildings' value decreases over time. The formula to find appreciation is A equals P brackets 1 plus R to the power of T. A is the future value after calculating the appreciation, P is the principal, the initial value, R is the appreciation rate per time period as a decimal number, and T is the number of time periods. The formula to find depreciation is the exact same as appreciation, except instead of 1 plus R in the brackets, it's 1 minus R. Example 1, finding the value of a house after 3 years. A house was bought for $300,000. The value appreciated by 5% each year for 3 years. How much is the house after 3 years? Well, we know the formula for appreciation is A equals P brackets 1 plus R to the power of T. So if we input those numbers into the formula, we get 300,000 brackets 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 3 years, and we get 347,287 and 50 cents. So in 3 years, the house would have been $347,287 and 50 cents. Example 2, finding the value of a car after 3 years. A car was bought for $20,000. The value depreciated by 10% each year for 3 years. How much is the car after 3 years? Well, we know the formula for depreciation is A equals P brackets 1 minus R to the power of T. So if we input those numbers into the formula, we get 20,000 brackets 1 minus 0.10 to the power of 3 years, and we get $14,580. In 3 years, the car would have been $14,580. Why is appreciation and depreciation this important? Well, compound appreciation and depreciation is useful so that you know the worth of something. For example, if you buy a house and know its appreciation rate, if you ever sell the house, you'll know by calculating the compound appreciation how much your house is now worth. Now you can sell the house for the right price and know if you are being scammed with a lower price. This is also really helpful for cars, antiques, and pretty much anything you are willing to sell. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for listening.